Okay, so I just want to go over what was an exceptionally good quarter with Fundrise, far and above any other quarter, and I know that that's not indicative that every quarter is going to be like that, but I just wanted to go over it, and I'm glad that I was part of it, that I was able to get the gains that I did. So this quarter here, we're going to look at first the overall. So I'm at $20,000, and that's what the this month's automatic addition, because I put money in it every month automatically. And you can see here the $1.06, so that's my daily dividend. I'm on the long-term growth plan, which means it's less income, but it's a longer term, a little bit overall better growth. So you get a couple points better than if you chose the income plan. So this 106 is actually a little bit low. Lately it's been up around maybe 111, 112, so I'll have to see.
Investors from all over the world are pooling money to invest in real estate. Integra Platform is an online crowdfunding real estate investing platform for everyone. Start investing today with Integra Platform and buy your dream property.
What it's like. I think it was a little bit higher yesterday also, so I'll have to kind of keep an eye on that. Also, this month's additional money hasn't. It's reflecting here, but it's not being reflected on the back end. So it takes a few days for that to actually hit the account. It just shows it here, but it's not actually being counted when they divvy out money. So dividends. This is for a year, so we're going to break it down by quarter. I just wanted you to get a snapshot of what the year looks like, and you can see this spike here on the right. I mean, big spike, about $2,000, and some of that was also me, but big spike here, one of the biggest spikes I think that I've had since I started in 2019. So let's go over to performance. So I've hit $3,000 so far, and it's been a little over 2 years, so that's a good return. So if we go to the performance here, I'll just show you this quickly. This breaks down all the different little portfolios that they have. If that's your thing, I'm not too crazy into the weeds about it, so I'll hide that for now. But here's the thing: this year to date, 17.4%. That is amazing. Overall, 15% since I started in 2019. So if we change that over to the dollar amounts, that's 24. I was expecting about 1250 this year total, and I've already gotten twice that. So, I mean, I could hit definitely over 3,000, maybe even close to 4,000. Who knows? Maybe even hit 4,000. So again, here's, for those who care, I'll just show that to you briefly. All right, so let me break this down here a little bit.
Investors from all over the world are pooling money to invest in real estate. Integra Platform is an online crowdfunding real estate investing platform for everyone.
Receiving profit. Daily interest from your deposit will be automatically transferred to your account balance.
Start investing today with Integra Platform and buy your dream property.
So the dividends was $200, and that's the daily dividend. I broke $1 a day not too long ago, I think in the last video I made. And it's been steady at about 112 or so. It's about the average. The appreciation was the kicker, though. And you can see, you know, $2,200 this year, which is twice what I was expecting for the year. And the advisory fee is so low on this thing. Plus, I had a friend sign up, and they give you 3 months, no advisory fees on their account and your account if they use your link. So going forward, I'll take the next 3 months off of that, which is again a couple of dollars, but hey, I'll take it. And I don't have any discounts or redemptions or anything. So yeah, net returns already twice. We're 3 quarters in, and I'm already twice what I thought I was going to make. And the principal invested was 7,000. So in out. So I put in 6,000, right? And then the 750, so I upped it. It was at 500, and I had bought earlier this year about 2 new tires for my vehicle that I needed, and a new camera for my photography business. So I was paying on those monthly because Best Buy and the tire shop, they have like a 12 months, 6 or 12 months, depending on how much you spend. Mine was 12 months, no interest. So I was doing that, and then I was doing more of the side work. So I just took the money I made from the side work and I just paid those things off early. And I figured, if I wasn't hurting for that money, which was, combined 250, if I wasn't hurting for that 250, then the best thing to do is just invest it, because obviously I don't need it. So I upped it to 750. So from 500 to 750 a month is my automatic. So that should really kick it up. I'm trying to get to 25,000 by the end of this year, and I figure $25,000 should give me somewhere in the ballpark of the $400 per month average. Now, if the returns are like this last quarter, that'll be $500. It'll be $500 a month that I make if I get the same returns, but I'm not expecting to make the same returns. They even put out a statement kind of explaining the last quarter's returns and letting people know this is definitely a fluke, and it's, I think they said, one of the highest quarters they've ever had since they started this platform. So let's not pretend like this is going to be the new thing going forward. It might just be a one-time deal, but still, it should be, even if things go back to normal, it should be about $400 a month for Fundrise when you break it all down after the next quarter per month.
Investors from all over the world are pooling money to invest in real estate.
Click on Withdraw button to send a withdrawal request. Your income will be transferred to your wallets.
Start investing today with Integra Platform and buy your dream property.
And then just to show you the dollar amounts here on the quarter. So Q3 was over $1,600, so it was about $1,680. And you can see even quarter to quarter, I've just been, by orders of magnitudes, larger. I mean, $113 to $600, that's almost 6 times more. And then here I have close to 3 times more. And then we're 2 days in, and we're at 217 on the daily dividends. So again, sticking to that, dollar plus. But I'm kind of curious to see. I don't know if all of those new funds that came in just recently, because you get paid in the last few days of the right here. You can see you get paid in the last few days of the quarter. So I don't know if all these new funds have kicked in yet. I mean, they might be showing here on the dashboard, but they may not be actually accredited to my account and producing me income. So I'm gonna see in the next few days if that number pops up. It should. It's been kind of stagnant at that just low $1 mark per day, and I'd like to see it go up to maybe the 220 or so. That would be nice. But even an average of 15, 16, something like that, just to see some movement. I want to make sure that there's a little bit of movement, because normally it always goes up after each quarter. And here you can see sort of so this is 2019, 20, and 21. So I've put in more this year than I have the past 2 years. Granted, 2019 was only a half year because I started in the summer. So I put $5,000 in the second half of 2019, and I put $5,000 total in 2020, and then I've already put $6,100 so far this year. I don't know how much more I'll put in. Probably, I don't know. It'll probably be somewhere between $8,000 and $9,000 for the year, which is pretty good. I think what I'm going to do is bump this up a little bit. I have more my I have 20 grand here. I have more in my stock portfolio. I think I'm going to start focusing a little more on this, try to bring it up. I'm still going to do the stocks, but I'm not going to pour as much money in because this has kind of shown to be something I need to focus on a little more and build it up. Not that the stocks aren't important, but I think I've been letting this kind of fall by the wayside, and I'm just a little belatedly recognizing what a gem this is. So I'm gonna put a little bit more money into this compared to the stocks, and then I'll keep comparing, and obviously you have to roll with the punches depending on what the markets do. So for now, I'm going to at least hope that this up market continues for another couple months and try to take advantage of that, and then we'll see after the new year how things change, and if the markets cool down, maybe I'll go back to stocks a little more. But for now, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys